For lightweight, super strong and portable comfort, we've got the Helinox ground chair. Let's take a look.
Hit it.
Hey guys, it's Lauren from Snowy's here. I've got the Helinox ground chair with me today. It's impossibly compact. It cuts on size and weight without sacrificing comfort, and it's perfect for campers, hikers, or even festival goers. It has a pack size of approximately 30 centimeters tall with 11 centimeters in diameter, and it weighs in at about 640 grams. Let's take a look. So in your bag, you will find your lightweight frame and your chair sling. All right, now the awesome thing about this Helinox chair is the frame is almost fully self-assembling. You may need to give it a little bit of extra help with the last couple of poles there. But once you're done with all your ends clicked into the hubs, there's your frame set up. Now the next bit is to attach your chair sling. You can see on the underside of the chair here, we also have some instructions printed for you. The first step is to slide in your leg posts into your sockets. The posts have got these beautiful end caps there that make sliding them in a real breeze. Now your final leg will be under a bit of tension, but you're not going to do your chair any harm by putting a bit of muscle into it, but nice and easy to slip through with these reinforced nylon sockets. So that's your ground chair set up, and that was pretty easy. We have a width on the front here of 52 centimeters. It's about 44 centimeters deep, 50 centimeters high, and from the base of the chair to the ground, you've got about 12 centimeters. The chair sling itself is made from a high quality nylon. You've got these mesh panels on the side to give you extra breathability. On the back here, you can see we have these reinforced pole sockets, and Helinox really goes above and beyond with the quality of their materials and their workmanships, which is demonstrated here by the reinforced stitching and bar tacking and the reinforced pockets we've got on the corner here. The chair frame is super strong aluminium alloy. All of your hubs are glass-filled nylon. The other cool design feature about the ground chair is its square footprint, which means it's not sinking into the ground when in use. The ground chair also has a weight rating of 120 kilos, so we'll have a bit of a test run. Now, often compact chairs have a name for being a little bit unstable, but this ground chair is super comfortable. I can feel there's a natural give there, which allows for contouring against my body, and I can move around quite a bit, and it's taking it for sure. I can also sit with my knees up comfortably, and it's in a really lovely natural reclined position. It's definitely a great chair. Let's run through the pack down. All right, so we're just flipping your chair over, popping your legs out of the socket. That first one might be a bit tricky under the tension. All right, on the frame, disassembly starts at this point here where you have your arrow. It will make it a lot easier to pull it apart. Once you've pulled out this spot with the arrows, it doesn't really matter how you pull the frame apart, just piece by piece, fold it together. It's pretty easy. That's the frame done. Now we'll fold your chair sling roughly in half. Pop your frame on one end and then just roll them together. Grab your bag and slide it in. The Helinox ground chair is a perfect option for campers, hikers, or festival goers alike who are after compact and convenient comfort. You can get it at snowys.com.au at our everyday lowest prices. If you have any comments or questions, chuck them below or give us a like. Head here to subscribe to our Snowy's channel or here for more helpful videos. Catch you later, Snowy's fam.